Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1016 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Violet Voss Coral Pop eyeshadow palette that I got in my November 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. So if you haven't seen my unbagging of that and all of the other products I got, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But this looks like such a fun and pretty palette. I've heard good things about it as well. So this has a retail value of $20. It's cruelty free. I love that you get your great neutral shades, but then that Coral Pop shade right there. So I want to go ahead and swatch them. Oh my gosh. That Coral Pop shade is so pretty and bright. Ooh, and I love that shimmer. It looks so good next to that Coral Pop, but it has like a pink gold sheen. You got a nice warm tone matte brown, and a darker version, that corally orange, and then a light matte shade. Oh, I love how cohesive all of these colors are. Like, these together are gonna make such a beautiful eyeshadow look. And here are those swatches. I think that they all swatched pretty nicely. I love that there's also a mirror in here. So I'm going to just prime one of my eyes using my, I always say Zoeva, but I think it might be pronounced Zoeva. Matte eyeshadow fix. So I'm just taking a tiny bit and I'm going to apply that all over one of my eyelids to review these shadows with and without an eyeshadow primer. Now I think it would be really cool for me to try and do an eyeshadow look that uses all of the colors. So first off, I'm going to do my transition shade and I'm going to take the light matte tan shade here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna not do a highlight because I think this shade, it could work as a highlight, but I think I'm gonna incorporate that onto the lid instead. So, skipping a brow highlight today and just going in with the transition from the crease up to the brow bone. And so this shade, I don't really expect it to show up that much on me, but it is showing up slightly, which is good. So next I'll take the lighter of the matte browns and blend this into that crease. A nice pigmented, blendable, warm tone brown, which will go perfectly with those coral tones. All right, picking up a bit of a smaller brush, I'm gonna go into the darker Choco Latte brown shade, and this is going to go into that outer V and then blend it into the crease as well. This looked like a chocolate brown, like it says, but on the eye I feel like it's almost kind of looking maroon or burgundy. It's a really pretty shade. It actually goes really nicely with the dress I'm wearing today. So I'm really excited about my eyeshadow look coordinating perfectly with my outfit. And I feel like I'm layering this a lot, but it really does layer up to get nice and dark. So I'm focusing it really layered up in that corner to really darken that up. Then I'm gonna go back in with my crease brush and blend out that crease. So far, I really don't see a difference in the eye with the primer versus without it. It's looking just as pigmented, blendable on both eyes. Okay, now I'm really excited to do the Coral Pop. So I'm gonna take the bright coral shade here and press that into the center of the eye for that bright pop of color. I'm so glad that applied to the eye, it still looks super bright and pigmented. Such a fun color. I am on track to use all of the shades. So now I'm going into the beautiful shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply that to the inner section of the eye. Oh, that's such a pretty color also. I'm so excited about this color combination. All right, and time for some blending. And then the last shade I have to use is this matte orangey shade. And I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line. So using all the colors, it ends up being a nice and colorful, pretty bright eyeshadow look. It's so pretty, and every shade performed so well. And I really like how all the colors look together. I think this is so pretty. It's kind of festive, definitely a little bit too festive for going to the grocery store, which is what I'm planning to do in this makeup look, but that's okay. We'll make the grocery store a fun, festive place. Just maybe pop on some lashes, some more mascara. I feel like I really need to enhance my lashes to go along with this eyeshadow look, but I'm very happy with it. I'm happy with the eyeshadow look. I'm happy with the eyeshadows. I've been having a lot of good luck with Violet Voss products that I've been getting in Ipsy lately. So I'm glad that this is another product that did not disappoint me. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.